Hi everybody and welcome back to my show, and I'm the Crypto Mom. And today I have a market update for you. Today is June 1st, 2018. And I apologize. I have not been not doing shows because the market is kind of moving sideways, a little bit down and sideways. The reason I haven't been doing shows is because I've had family in town. My parents are elderly and I fly them out here once a year, and my dad's kind of ill, so that's why I've been away from the channel. But I'm back. They went home, and my dad seems to be doing a little bit better, so here I am. Anyway, just going back to the cryptocurrency today, I like to do a scale, for you. And today, there's the same pullback, pink losses. I think that we are not on the falling knife, meaning that I don't think that we're going to dip back down. It looks like cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin specifically, has been holding around the $7,500 mark. If you look at coin market cap right now, just kind of refresh the page and take a look at where we're at. We've been sitting around, even though I haven't been producing any shows, I've been watching, like a hawk, obviously. We've been sitting around this $330 billion market cap for the last several days. Bitcoin dominance, I think it was the day before or 2 days ago, was almost at 40%. So why that is significant is that Bitcoin dominance means that the more people are in Bitcoin, the less they are in the altcoins. Bitcoin is usually more like I say the steady Freddy, a steadier investment. Altcoins tend to be more volatile, right? So when Bitcoin dominance goes up, it means that there's some uncertainty and people aren't willing to follow the altcoins as much. So when you see Bitcoin dominance fall, that's good, because that means that there's a little more confidence in the market. The volume of trading is okay. We have even more cryptocurrencies now. Last time I looked, it was 1601. Now it's 1640. Again, the market cap is a little bit down and sideways. But we've been sitting at, $7,400, $7,600 Bitcoin for the last few days. They're calling it the BART, like Bart's hair, goes up and down like this in small little waves. But, nothing too significant there. Bitcoin, some other things to talk about as we look is that the market temperature, again, is not terribly bullish. We're kind of at an even. Looking at Godshilla, what is being shilled, what is being talked about right now. And right now, one of the things that's being talked about is a few mainnet launches. Tron has their mainnet is out. EOS is having their mainnet come out soon. What a mainnet is that when a coin comes out, it can stay on a certain blockchain, like a pre-offering. And it was ERC20 for Tron, which is the Ethereum blockchain. But now Tron is its own mainnet, its own supercomputer, its own infrastructure, highways and roads, if you want to call it that. EOS is coming to its own mainnet too. And I wanted to talk about, in Godshilla, it's like a lot of people are talking about hodling or holding on for dear life, in this market because it's going sideways. Make sure that you have an exit strategy and you understand sunk cost, or that you know what sunk cost is that an exit strategy is, say you put $500 and it's going down, and I know that we want to hodl, but to me hodling is a little bit of a luxury. Of course, not financial advice, and you should not invest money that you are not willing to lose. But say that is getting painful. I mean, you have to know in your own mind if a project, they're no longer communicating on Telegram or on Reddit or any of those kind of social media platforms. There's no AMAs going on. You're seeing unusually silent. It is okay to exit strategy. It is okay to exit or have an exit strategy. A lot of YouTubers, it's almost like they want to shame people into it and say, oh, you have to hodl. Yeah, we do, and we want our money to go up, but it's your money at the end of the day, right? So at the end of the day, if you say, well, if I lose 50%, I have to exit, or you could lose everything. But again, don't invest money in general that you aren't able to lose or aren't willing to let go of. Hodling is a good strategy, but exit strategies and looking at sunk costs, meaning that it's just not going to recover, something too. Technical analysis does work. There are formations that occur. There's financial and mathematical principles that occur, which are great. But it's not everything, right? It's just not everything, because a wild card into this is the what I like to call the hype factor. You're not always able to see what the hype factor is on things. So it's important that when you're looking at technical analysis, take it maybe more than a grain of salt, maybe more like a grain of rice or a small bowl of rice, because it does happen, but there are other factors that behind other than technical analysis that move this market. Now, is it the one of the stronger strategies to look at technical analysis? Of course it is, but just be wary, and remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just one mom talking about cryptocurrency that I love and enjoy. Rub-a-dub-dub, here comes the FUD. There isn't a lot of FUD right now in the market, thankfully. There I think there was another Verge attack, and they talked about 51% attacks, meaning that some coins that have low market caps, you can buy up or own 51% and control the currency flow. I mean, in cryptocurrency, you're going to have things like that to be wary of. That's why you always should be wary of low market cap coins. But as far as FUD goes, there isn't a whole lot right now. A lot of people think that because we're going sideways, it's bad. It's not. It's just we're getting support. But moving on, again, the Tron mainnet that came out, people either love or hate Justin Sun. He's kind of the voice and founder of Tron. More people seem to hate him than love him, but Tron has a big community around it. But I mean, look at the mainnet just launched, and we're down a few percent. That's not great, and we didn't see that big run up that we thought we did with Tron. Again, that's where I tell you have to do your own research. You have to do your own research. But Tron, a little bit disappointing on the mainnet launch, personally. Anyway, but I like to end things on a positive note, and it looks like China's President Xi Jinping is endorsing blockchain as a breakthrough technology. There was a conference in China just a few days ago, and he's not endorsing cryptocurrency, but he's endorsing blockchain. And maybe if China softens its rule on cryptocurrency and ICOs, there could be some good things, for that, because the crypto market in general, because China is a huge market. I know that India, and is really seriously looking at cryptocurrency. It's going to court the Royal Bank of India, and also, if you look at Zimbabwe just lifted their cryptocurrency ban. These are all good things, right? These are all good things in the cryptocurrency space to be talking about. But going back to the just general positive notes, is that Nicholas Merton from Data Dash, I think he's really cool young guy. He's talking about Bitcoin being at $50,000, and a lot of people are, right? Mainly because we're seeing, a more positive view. We need to talk about adoption in the space. There's financial problems in Europe and Italy and Greece, and those folks may be looking for decentralization, somewhere to go other than fiat or government-backed currency. But, for me, I'd like to say that, we need more women in the cryptocurrency space, right? Come on, ladies, we need more women. And I'm trying to do some of my own research and recon why there aren't more women in the cryptocurrency space, if it's, the complication or whatever, So please leave me a comment on why you think more women aren't participating in the cryptocurrency space. I definitely need more subscribers, and I have an Instagram account, the KRYPTO mom, as well, if you want to follow me on Instagram. But we definitely need more women in cryptocurrency, and I also think that we need more Generation X money in cryptocurrency, right? I mean, you have these millennials, techie in the Silicon Valley, and that kind of space, the blockchain space. But I'm kind of got one foot in millennial, one foot in Generation X. I'm the young end of Generation X, right? And some of us have had careers for 10, 15 years. I was a software engineer, database engineer for a while. I have invested part of my 401k into cryptocurrency, because I think the gains are better in cryptocurrency than in the 401k space in traditional finance. And I know we won't know who's right or wrong, right, for a while, because cryptocurrency, I think it has a huge space of growth in it. But we definitely need more women, and we need more Generation X money in financial in cryptocurrency. Again, not financial advice. I'm just one mom talking about cryptocurrency. I try to do research at night after I put the kids to bed, and I look at crypto in between loads of laundry and other daily things, right? But the good news again is that Bitcoin is finding support around $7,500. There are a lot of great altcoin buys out there that were 50 to 75% off of where they were from the all-time highs. The sentiment of crypto is actually fairly positive right now, even though there's not a lot going on. So anyway, if you're going to make a position in crypto, you want to ride the elevator up, not down, right? So remember, this is not financial advice, and I really would like you to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I think I want to do a more in-depth video on why women aren't seeking cryptocurrency opportunities more, and also that we need Generation X money, and why I think that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin specifically, I'm in agreement with everybody that it could reach, or all the strong crypto enthusiasts, that it could reach $50,000 potentially. But I want to put reasons behind that, so that maybe you'll invest and join the space in this wonderful adventure with me. Again, not financial advice. I'm just one mom talking about cryptocurrency. I appreciate you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody.